I will be asked you to talk about the topic for 1 to 2 minutes. You have 1 minute to think about what you are going to say. You can make some notes to help you if you wish. Are you ready?
Yes.
If you're ready, your topic is describe an object you own that is special to you.
Okay. So I have 1 minute to prepare, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 minute is up.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can start about describe an object you own that is special to you.
Okay. So I'm going to talk about my camera, which called Insta360 Go. It is an action cam, which is you can we can record using it. We can use it to record our moment, especially in action, such as sports when we are riding, because it is easy to be placed wherever. For example, we can put it in our helmet. We can put it. It even have a special necklace so that we can put it in our chest, such as that. So I got this camera when I first got my first salary, which is when I work in jails. So when I got my first salary, I use my money to buy the camera. Why? Because I really love to record the moments. I I'm having a lot of fun when I'm doing something. So that's why I bought the camera to record my moments. Uh, when I first saw this camera on YouTube or other platform, I'm interested because uh, it is very easy to use. It is also very versatile. Like I said before, we can place it on top of our helmet, in our chest, stick it into the metal because it has magnetic function. Yeah, that is all.
Now we will discussion about some topics. First topic is materialism. First, do you think that society is more materialistic now than before?
uh, I think yes, society now is very materialistic.
Why?
uh, because I think that people nowadays, especially females, they are racing each other to show off their wealth. For example, they have expensive purse and other other things.
But how about the difference about the pure and the rich is so big? So the pure is so pure and the rich is so rich. How about that?
Yeah.
But you say we will so materialistic now, but the pure is still pure.
Yeah. I think materialism is only happen in wealth people because they have something to be show off. For poor people, they don't have anything. They only struggle with their life.
But how about the pure people is always want to show off too, like with pinjol like that.
Yeah. I think uh, that is one of the problem of why poor people always be poor, because uh, they they tend to follow people that are wealthier than them. That's why when they try to show off, they use pinjol, for example, and that is the main reason of why they become a poor people, because they got money but then they cover their own debt.
Good. The second question is how do manufacturers persuade people to consume more?
Okay, I think manufacturers can persuade people by doing interactive advertisement. For example, in drinks, okay, in drinks, they are tend to show their drinks is very delicious, for such as that.
But how about now we will in the digital society? So we always use social media. How about that? Manufacture persuade people in social media?
Yeah, because nowadays most people are using social media. They can put their advertisement anywhere, in the TV, in the social media such as TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. So that way they can persuade more people or inform the people with their brand.
How about the buzzer use fact 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 about
Fake proof.
fact
Yeah,
fact narration about the product?
okay, thank you. For me, the buzzer is it is I can normalize the buzzer, because that is one way to persuade more people to buy their product. At the end of the day, the people who wanted to buy the product have the final decision whether they want to buy the product or not.
Good. Maybe the last question. Do you think there should be any restriction on advertising?
Okay, I think yes, there should be a restriction,
Why?
because for example, cigarettes advertisement. So cigarettes is, as we know, is very harmful. So we have to make a restriction for the cigarettes advertisement. For example, we make a restriction for it to only be shown at the midnight, for example.
Okay. Thank you. I still want to discussion to you, but the time is up.
Okay, thank you so much.